we got a package. Boom. I'm about to do a little unboxing. You're probably wondering, Troy, why did you get a clay pottery kit? Here's why.
Where's all the bowls? Mom told you to wash the dishes.
Jeez, okay, chill out. I can fix this. I didn't feel like doing dishes, so I need to make a clay pottery bowl so we can eat cereal. That's one of the goals of this experiment. Oh, I guess I should be talking this through. In the box we got tools, sponge, rubber thing, and the clay pottery machine. Paints, spray bottle, of course the clay. Hopefully enough clay to make a bowl. Let's turn this clay into a bowl. I now have my tools. I've also never done clay pottery before, so wish me luck. But today the goal of this video is to make a functional bowl that we can eat cereal out of. I think I'm supposed to do something with it, like massage it or something. I don't know. If you're new to this channel, I usually don't do clay pottery videos. As I said, it is my first time. And whenever I'm filming this, it's actually March 11th. So 3 months ago from whenever it was released. Today is June 1st. Whenever I release this video, if you're watching it later on, that's fine too. This is actually episode 1 of my June passion projects. It's a big video, 30-part series. So I'm starting filming this project 3 months in advance for a reason. So the reason is I wanted to release a video every single day of June. The problem with that is it's a lot of work, and I had in my ideas for this 30-part series would not have been able to be done if I just filmed in June. So I haven't posted in over 3 months now, and you probably thought I died, but really I was just preparing for this project. This is a disaster. I guess that's what happens whenever you buy a $26 clay pottery wheel on the internet. So the reason behind this video project is it is titled June Passion Projects. And there's a reason for that. Because in this video series, I didn't want it to be a series like a lot of the other YouTube videos you see where the person's doing it just for views and whatever else. So this is going to be kind of a genuine video project of I'm going to be doing stuff that I want to do, like clay pottery. So it might not be the most clickbaiting titles, but just saying, stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, because this series has some really cool videos in it. So this is episode 1, and it's a little bit of a slow start, but I designed it like that for a reason. So I wanted the tame videos working up to the more hype, intense videos, I guess you could say. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just fondling this clay ball right now in my hand. It's so sticky, I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. I didn't think this through, but I need to go wash my hands so I can move the camera to get a cinematic shot of me playing with clay. The issue is my hands look like this, and I need to open my door. Who said anything about an issue? Oh my gosh, good heavens. What did I do? What is this? What? It's too thin over here. I need more clay. I wonder if I should restart. Probably not. Huh? I don't want to restart. I just need... Okay. This is not the time for this tool, but I'm going to do it. Just because I'm curious. That bottom is very thin. Oh no, what am I doing? Okay. Oh no! How am I gonna get this off of this thing whenever I really need to? Yeah, you know what? Fail. If you leave a like right now, I will. Okay. Oh, I think I'm gonna let the intrusive thoughts win. Alright, it's now on the plate, and it looks like a plate. That is not going to hold cereal. For never doing clay pottery before. Not the worst thing we've seen. We need to get it outside in the sun. So since I have this one piece left, let me go be a good older brother. Feel free to go use it. You can make your own bowl for your own bowl of cereal. How do you know how to make the perfect bowl?
Because we had a pottery class in art.
You took a pottery class? Oh my, that's an unfair advantage.
We just played with clay. The guy just showed us.
Wow. It's been a day and our clay pottery bowls have dried. Cocoa Puffs. Milk. It fit like 5.
No, it didn't. Jeez, that was a lot.
Uh-oh.
Fast! I can't even scoop it up.
I'm not sure what's worse. If all the milk's draining, or if it's on my mom's brand new table. You gotta open your eyes so it looks like you're awake. And maybe... Where's all the bowls?
Okay. Mom told you all.
Again. Table. And now that's how that video will end.